Baahubali 3. Welcome to our in-depth review and breakdown of one of the most anticipated films of the year, Baahubali 3. After the massive success of the first two installments, director S.S. Rajamouli takes us back to the kingdom of Mahendra, delivering a new chapter filled with action, drama, and breathtaking visuals. Let's dive into the full highlights of this epic conclusion. Baahubali 3 picks up where the second film left off, with Mahendra Bhaahubali firmly seated on the throne of Mahendra. However, peace in the kingdom is short-lived as a new, more dangerous threat emerges from an ancient enemy, the kingdom of Bhaahubali. The film introduces us to Bhairav, the ruthless and cunning king of Bhaahubali, whose sole mission is to reclaim Mahendra's throne, seeking revenge for an old betrayal. This new antagonist is not only a warrior but a master tactician, presenting a formidable challenge to Baahubali. We see a mature and wiser Mahendra Bhaahubali, now a father, torn between protecting his kingdom and keeping his family safe. Devasena, once again played brilliantly by Anushka Shetty, returns as a strong force in the film, leading the kingdom's army alongside her son. One of the highlights of Baahubali 3 is the introduction of fierce new characters like Rajkumari Anika, Bhairav's warrior daughter, played by an electrifying new talent. She brings complexity to the plot, torn between loyalty to her father and admiration for Baahubali's righteousness. As expected, Baahubali 3 delivers some of the most visually stunning and action-packed battle sequences ever seen. Rajamouli once again raises the bar with jaw-dropping choreography, intricate battle formations, and the emotional weight that keeps you glued to the screen. From aerial attacks to intense sword duels, the fight scenes are not only grand in scale but emotionally charged, with Mahendra Bhaahubali fighting not just for his kingdom, but his legacy. The climactic battle between Baahubali and Bhairav is an edge-of-the-seat spectacle, filled with surprises and jaw-dropping moments. While the battles are fierce, what makes Baahubali 3 truly shine is its emotional core. The film dives deep into the personal struggles of Mahendra Bhaahubali, who must balance the responsibilities of being a king, a husband, and a father. Moments between Baahubali and his family are heart-wrenching, and the film brings back emotional flashbacks that connect the present with the legacy of Mahendra Bhaahubali, adding even more depth to the story. The visual effects and cinematography are, as expected, top-notch. From the grand landscapes of Mahendra to the mystical forests of Bhaahubali, the film immerses you in a world of fantasy and grandeur. Every scene is a visual feast, from the towering castles to the epic battlefield shots. The final showdown between Mahendra Bhaahubali and Bhairav is nothing short of legendary. Packed with emotional intensity, strategic twists, and a satisfying conclusion, it brings the story of Baahubali full circle. Without spoiling too much, let's just say that the final moments of Baahubali 3 will leave you on the edge of your seat and emotionally overwhelmed. The film ends with a perfect balance of closure and legacy, honoring the Baahubali saga. In conclusion, Baahubali 3 is a fitting end to an epic saga. With breathtaking visuals, memorable characters, and a storyline filled with emotion and grandeur, it stands tall among its predecessors.